Welcome back to Epic Coltie's Nerf Gun Review Part 2. This is going to incorporate the second part of a three-part series of Colton's Nerf guns and demonstrations on how to use them. Okay, Coltie, what do we got first?
We got this. What's it called?
Nice.
What's it called?
Let's see. That one is called the Zombie Strike.
We got the zombie strike.
And it looks like you have a laser pointer on it?
Yeah, I'm going to shoot it.
Okay.
Now I'll get a knife.
How many bullets does this one hold?
It holds 4.
Nice. Single action pump. Okay. What's next?
We got...
Oh, wow. We got the Elite Crossbow Strike. Whoa. How many missiles do we get on this one?
3.
3 missiles. Looks pretty powerful. Wow. Third missile.
I can get on it.
All right. What should we do next?
Let's take this one.
Oh, okay. We got the
Wait,
6-shooter.
We already did this.
Well, we have 2. Let's do this one again. This is the 6-shooter revolver Elite series. Show us how fast you can do it. Look at that fast action. Okay. What's next?
We got this.
Okay, we got the Mega Gun. It's the first Mega Gun he had in the series. How many bullets?
3.
Okay, let's see it. Wow. That is pretty powerful. Okay, next.
We got next is the...
Okay, we got the Zombie Striker Crossbow series. How many bullets?
4.
Okay. Nice.
I just shot 2 at once, by the way.
All right, excellent.
And
And last, we got the Zombie Striker shotgun that shoots 2 bullets at the same time. Whoa, and that's got some power. Nice. Well, that concludes Part 2 series. Stay tuned, because next time we're going to have Part 3, where Colton is going to demonstrate his hyper fire with 225 drum bullet chambers. You don't want to miss it.